challenge, bro.
Spice assassin. Y'all said I waste spice. I don't waste nothing, man. Get out of here, man. Hey, yo, it's all about a touch of curry. All right? Hey, yo, come here. If you don't know about cumin, don't even talk barbecue, yo. Listen, come here for that. We out of here.
Motherfuckers.
Take us home, yo.